Upgrade your server identity. A step-by-step guide to renaming your Discord server within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change server name on Discord Mobile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Discord icon on your phone to open the app. Log in if you aren't already logged into your account. From the left sidebar, select the server whose name you want to change by tapping on its icon. Then tap the server name. Select the settings from the drop-down menu to access the server settings. In the server settings, locate and tap on the overview option. You will see the current server name. Tap on the text box to edit it. Type in the new server name in the text box. Once you are happy with the name, tap the save icon. Your server name should be updated. So this is how to change server name on Discord Mobile. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.